Hi, this is Gael Tarleton, your representative from the 36th District, home to some of our state's finest tourist places, the Space Needle, Discovery Park, Ballard Locks, and the EMP Museum. We're halfway point through the session, and we have a few more days of floor action, so I wanted to bring you up to date on some bills that we've passed. I had a bill to ensure that people living in apartments have master keys locked up so that they are safe in their homes. It's called the Safe Keys Bill, and it passed unanimously on the House floor. Also had another bill called Digital Infrastructure Mapping, taking a look at our transportation, energy, utility, and information networks so that we understand where we can create jobs in this state and create equal access to economic opportunity. We have big things happening on higher education, and I want to let you know these are tough budget times, and we're doing all we can to fund higher ed. But we need to make college more affordable, even in these tough economic times, and to do that, we're working to make sure the state is paying its fair share. We have a lot of discussion about transportation, and I know you've been reading in the newspapers about the choices we have in front of us. Conversations are still going on in Olympia. I want to keep you updated on the latest as we move through the remainder of session, and you have a key voice in these decisions we're making, so please let us know how we should fund transportation solutions for a clean economy. We have a big announcement. We have Town Hall coming up on March 16th, this Saturday, 11 a.m. at City University in Belltown. Would love to hear your thoughts on transportation and these other topics, so please join us with myself, Representative Carlisle, and our State Senator Jean Cole-Wells. I'll look forward to seeing you there, and have your questions ready. Thanks so much.